Very warm welcome to all of those who want to improve their productivity and make their mark on the world. If you think you are one of those people who are highly talented and deserves a lot better position, then where are you right now? And all this happened because of your small bad habit that you use to delay things. Means you do procrastination and you are trying to get rid of this bad habit but couldn't. Even instead of your strong will and multiple efforts, then you are at the right place. This 10 series episode is designed to solve the procrastination issue for good. In this series, you will be able to find out your very own reasons of procrastination, how to eliminate these reasons by using scientifically proven methods, and finally, how to reverse the effects of procrastination from your life so that you can get what you deserve. Let's find out if this series is really helpful for you or not. You will see simple yes or no type of 10 questions. Find out how many yes and no you collect. Do you put off things you need to do even when they are important? Has putting things off until the last minute cost you money in the past, like late payment fees, etc.? Do you tend to only make decisions when you are really forced to? Do your friends and family get mad at you for not following through with what you say you are going to do? Do you usually finish important jobs at the last minute? Do you put things off for so long that you cause yourself unnecessary stress? Do you put off quick, simple tasks for an unnecessarily long amount of time? Do you experience problems because you run out of time to get things done? When you have got a deadline approaching, do you waste time doing other things? Would your life be better if you started some activities or tasks sooner? If you answered yes to more than 4 questions, then this series is absolutely designed for you and you need to see all of its episodes completely so that you will be able to figure out that what happened between bedtime and waking up, that every night you make a promise with yourself that from tomorrow you will completely leave the procrastination. But why? You are not able to end the procrastination and comes back to square one. These are some of the areas where you do suffer because of procrastination. Procrastination is the combination of Latin words and it means in favor of tomorrow. Here you do something against your better judgment. Logically, you should not delay the things which you actually delay. Actually, we do not want to leave our comfort zone, and because of this, we develop a habit of avoiding things. Procrastination is not a new phenomenon. Even you can find writings about procrastination that are 2500 years old. But at that time, the procrastination was considered as a moral obligation or ethical phenomena. But now we know that it is not like that. It is a personality trait, and you should not suffer because of this. Now we have discovered new scientific methods that can be used to get rid of procrastination, and you should not suffer because of this. Otherwise, you will pay a very heavy price for something in which you are not at guilt at all. Let's fight out together with this. We can definitely defeat the habit of procrastination. Don't forget to watch the next episode in which you will be able to find out that why it is so hard to stop procrastination and why don't procrastinations learn from their behavior and experience. You will find the link of all episodes in the description below. See you.